Kids, today we are drawing a tractor. Let's draw together. First, we draw top of our tractor. Please like and subscribe. Do you know tractor is a powerful agricultural vehicle? It is used on farms for various tasks such as plowing, planting, and hauling. It typically has large rear wheels for traction and a variety of attachments for different jobs. Wow! So awesome tractor! Now, we draw wheels of the tractor. Wow! So big wheel! Tractor has very powerful wheels. Look! Wheel is moving. So fantastic tractor! So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Let's do coloring. Wow, wow, wow! Fantastic! Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super Star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug. Look at your drawing, little artist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.